Good morning students and Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start exercise 2.3 and it's also the factorization by the method of midterm breaking. Here we will use the method midterm breaking. We will do questions and explain the midterm breaking process. First we will start the first question, that is x square plus 9x plus 20. First identification of midterm breaking is that we have three terms. Here we have three terms and only one square in it. You can see the complete square is here 1. If 9 is the square of 3 but x is not a complete square, x square, if it will be 9x square, then it can be solved with the formula of a square plus b square, but it cannot be solved. So whenever we will see that there are three terms and we have only one square, complete square, and we don't have another squares, we have to apply the midterm breaking formula. Now how to apply this formula? In this way we are going to break the midterm or make the factors of the midterm. Here we have the end term will be, you can see when we multiply it we will get 20x square. So we have to make the factors of 20x square so that when we add these two factors, first we make the factor of 20, that is 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, and we can say that 2 multiplied by 10 is 20, and 5 into 4 is also 20, 10 into 2 is 20. So we have these two factors, but the ideal factors are those factors which are going, when we are going to add them or when we are going to subtract them, we get the middle value. Midterm breaking mean when we get the factor of the last two, the factors should, when we add it or when we subtract it, we get the middle value. So these are the two factors. When we add it 10 plus 2, it will be 12. Here if we add it, it will be 12, or if we subtract it, it will be 8. We don't need this factor. And here look at 4 and 5. If we add it, we get 9. So the ideal factor is this one. These two pairs are the ideal for making factors because they will give the value of the middle. So whenever we are using the midterm breaking, we will see the last two product and we will make their factors, and the factors should be the exactly, if we add it or subtract it, we get the middle value. So here we will make the factors. We will write down, instead of 9x, we will write down 4x and 5x. See how we are writing it. X square plus 4x plus 5x plus 20. Now these three terms are converted into four terms. This midterm is breaking into break and forms the four factors. This 9 break into form 4. If we add it 4 and 5, we will get again the same value. But we make it convert these three terms into four terms, or break this midterm because we want to solve it, and for this purpose we need the four factors. Now we will see what is common in these two and what is common in these two. We just need to break this middle term. Now we see here that x is common in both the terms, so we will write down here x is common. So inside value is x plus 4. Here we see 5 is common because 5x plus 5 is common. X plus 5 is 5 into 4 is 20. So when the factors inside a bracket are same, it means these two are the common factor. First we write the common factor and then we write the uncommon, that is x plus 5. It's very easy. It's just like the first method, taking common, but first we have to break the midterm in such a factors that when we are adding it, we will get the middle value. We are adding it or subtracting it, we are getting the middle value, and it should be resolved into two factors, and further it gives the four factors, and these four factors have something common in them. We will take the common of that, then we write the common factor once and uncommon once. In this way we get the answer. Now we are going to do question number 2. As we do the question, we will clarify it easily, and all the queries will be resolved if we do all the questions. Question number 2 is x square plus 5x minus 14. So here we can see again last product is 14 x square we need to make the factors of 14 in such a way that when we solve these factors, when we add these factors, we will get the product, we will get the subtracting or adding, we get the 5x. So 14 has one factor, that is 1 into 14, and other is 2 into 7. So 2 into 7 is the ideal factor, because when we subtract 2 from 7 we get the 5x, and we can easily use this factor to further resolve them into the factors. So we write down 2 and 7 instead of 5x. So it will be 5x x square plus 7x minus 2x minus 14. Now why we use this plus 7x minus 2x gives exactly 5x, and we need this value. When we multiply them, we get the same value, that is 14. So now we see what is common in these two factors, x square plus 7x and minus 2x minus 14. What is common in them? Here we see x is common, x plus 7, and here we see that 2 is common, minus 2. When we take out minus 2 as a common, we write down the value, that is x bracket minus minus, it will be plus, and then 7, 2 into 7. So the common factors here are x plus 7 in both the values, and uncommon are x minus 7. So this is done. One more part I'm going to do for you people so you can understand this. Third part, very easy, that is x square plus 5x minus 6. Again we have to make the factors of the factors of 6, and when we add it or subtract it, we will get the answer, that is 5. So ideal factors for that is x square plus 6x minus x. 6 into 1 is 6, and then minus 6. Here we can see that we are going to minus these values, and we will get the answer 5x when we subtract the 6x from x. Midterm, when we break it, when we subtract it, we will get the same value, and when we find the product, x into 6x will be 6x squared. So what is common here? Common here is x, we write down the common, and x plus 6. Here common is nothing, so we will write down minus 1 as a common, then x minus minus, it will be plus 6. So again we will see that common factor in both the values is x plus 6, and here uncommon is x minus 1. Hence we resolve them into factors by the method of midterm breaking. I will repeat this method again. See the question number 1 again, that we need to find out the end product, that is 20x square. So we will find out the factors of the 20. The ideal factors for 20s are 4 into 5 and the 2 into 10. So we need the factor which when we are going to add it or we are going to subtract it, we will get the 9x square, which give us the answer of 9x. When we add 4 and 5, we will get 9x. In this way, we are this factor is ideal for us, and we use 4x and 9x. When we are adding it, we will get this answer. When we are multiplying it, we get the product, that is 20x square. Next step will be, we will write them in the form of 4 factors, then first pair, and then the second pairing them, and then we will take out the common in the first pair and common in the second pair. When there is same common in the both the factors, we will write down the first common factor and then the uncommon factor. In this we solve this question. Hope you understand. If you have any query, you can inbox me.